In experiment number 1, we'll make a simple electrical circuit. You'll need a board. It can be wood, foam, or cork, electrical tape, 22 gauge wire, a 3-volt flashlight bulb, a metal thumbtack, a D battery, and wire strippers. You'll need 2 6-inch pieces of wire. Use the wire strippers to remove about a 1/2 inch of the insulating material from either end of both wires. You need the metal inside part of the wire exposed in order to create a circuit. Then, tape the D battery to one end of your board. Use the electrical tape to attach one end of one wire to the top of the battery and one end of the other wire to the bottom of the battery. Remember, the ends of the wires have to be stripped for this to work. Then, wrap one end of 1 6-inch wire around the base of the metal thumbtack. Press the thumbtack into the board. Cut a piece of the electrical tape in half lengthwise so that it's about the same width as the metal base of the light bulb. Wrap the metal end of the other 6-inch piece of wire around the base of the light bulb and secure it using the electrical tape. Be sure not to cover the very bottom of the light bulb with tape. Touch the light bulb to the thumbtack. If you have a complete circuit, it should light up. In experiment number 2, we will add a switch to our circuit. You'll need a board, a D battery, electrical tape, a 6-inch piece of wire and 2 3-inch pieces of wire with the ends stripped, a light bulb, a paper clip, and 2 thumbtacks. Start by taping the D battery to one end of your board. Attach the end of the 6-inch piece of wire to the top of the battery. Tape the end of one 3-inch piece of wire to the base of the battery. Wrap the other end of that 3-inch piece of wire around a paper clip. Bend the ends of the other 3-inch piece of wire and wrap each end around a metal thumbtack. Press the first thumbtack into the board close enough to make contact with the paper clip. Wrap the metal end of the 6-inch piece of wire around the base of the light bulb and secure it using a piece of electrical tape. Make sure not to cover the bottom of the light bulb with the electrical tape. When the paper clip is not touching the thumbtack, the switch is off. When it is touching the thumbtack, the switch is on and the light bulb should light up. Off, on, off, on. In experiment 3, we'll use our circuits to test conductors and insulators. You'll need a board, electrical tape, a D battery, a 6-inch piece and 2 3-inch pieces of wire, a light bulb, 3 metal thumbtacks, and various objects to test as either conductors or insulators. Once again, tape your D battery to one end of the board. Attach one end of the 6-inch wire to the top of the battery. Attach one end of one of the 3-inch wires to the bottom of the battery. Curl and wrap the other end of that 3-inch wire around the base of a metal thumbtack and press it into the board. Curl and wrap both ends of the second piece of 3-inch wire around metal thumbtacks and press them both into the board. Make sure one of them is pretty close to the first thumbtack. Wrap the metal end of the 6-inch piece of wire around the base of the light bulb and secure it with electrical tape. Make sure not to cover the very bottom of the light bulb with tape. Place an object on top of the two thumbtacks that are next to each other and test out the light bulb. If that material is an insulator, the light bulb will not light up. If it's a conductor, the light bulb will light up. This video was created by LaFontaine of Knowledge. For lesson materials that go along with the video, be sure to check the link in the video description. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.